Metal photo is used when permanent identification of a product, process, or asset is critical. That is, when a nameplate, label, sign, or machine control panel must last the life of the part to which it is affixed. Applications where metal photo is commonly specified include aircraft labels, military and commercial ship placards, off-highway equipment nameplates, trailer and shipping container VIN tags, item-unique UID barcode labels, machine control panels, load and rating plates, service schematics, architectural wayfinding signage, and countless other identification items in outdoor, high-temperature, abrasive, or chemical operating conditions. In fact, metal photo is one of the most specified materials for durable, high-resolution nameplates, labels, and control panels. Few other materials are certified to more commercial, military, and government specifications. As recently as 2011, a U.S. Navy study awarded metal photo more top scores than any other material on tests of resistance to abrasion, corrosion, impact, and sunlight exposure. But it isn't just durability that leads organizations to specify metal photo. It is metal photo's unique combination of durability, image resolution, and variable information capability that differentiate it from other options. This is why for over 65 years, metal photo has been trusted by the most exacting manufacturers, governments, and military organizations because of its exceptional durability and readability in the most demanding environments on Earth and beyond. So when your product, mission, or the safety of your team deserves the security of durability, resolution, and variable information capability, specify metal photo, the material trusted where permanent identification is critical.